Guangzhou Xiangyue hardware plumbing appliance trading firm is one of the leading hardware and electrical appliance manufacturers. We are a large-sized enterprise that is engaged in the R&D, manufacture, and sales of about 3,000 electrical items and decoration materials such as LED bulbs, ceiling lights, wall lamps, downlights, spotlights, track lights, crystal chandeliers, LED tubes, switches, sockets, etc. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. We have built a good reputation in both domestic and overseas markets. OEM and ODM services are available. Customized logo is welcomed. Our exporting goods are mostly OEM orders from our overseas customers, and our products are highly appreciated in overseas markets. In order to guarantee the quality, we undertake strict quality control system and insist on perfect workmanship and the use of top-quality materials. We have more than 20 QC members to carry out strict inspection at each stage. Excellent quality, competitive price, fast delivery, and considerate after-sales services offers is our standard. If you are interested in our products, please click here to see more. We are here looking forward to hearing from you soon and starting the long-term relationship.